So this is a tire pressure monitor sensor reset or relearn tool. And the way to use it is we're gonna start with the key in the ignition, ignition off. This is gonna go fast, so you're gonna have to rewatch the video if you need to. So press on the brake, turn the ignition on and off 3 times, ending in the run position, press the brake again, turn the ignition off, then turn the ignition on and off 3 times, ending in the run position. Horn will sound. That's a good thing because that means the car is now in TPMS relearn mode. Now I have to read the instructions. Oh, so now it's telling us to train or relearn the front left tire. So let's go over to it with this sensor. Did I even show it? Let's go over to it with the sensor. The front left is the front driver's tire. So now we come over to the front left tire and we're going to press continuously on this button until the sensor relearns. There we go. The horn sounded. That tells us that this one has been reprogrammed. Let's go over to the passenger side. All right, we're over at the passenger side. Let's do the same thing. That one worked. Now let's go to the right rear. So that's the passenger rear. And we have to do this in this order all around. Okay, left rear tire is the last one. Perfect. Now they are all retrained. So you can see on the dash here, it says training complete. That's perfect. Now we can just shut off the ignition. And then when we turn it back on, if for some reason you had a tire pressure light, which is that one right there, the exclamation point, if for some reason you had that one, well, it should be off now. There we go, everything's on, engine on. Yep, I know that. Everything's perfect. There you go, take it for a road test.